video, and today we're going to learn about Python. So I'm learning Python on this adhesive website. It's a course for Python, and they do have many courses on computer science, but as you can see, I already completed the Unit 1, and I believe, yeah, some of Unit 2, so I'm just going to quickly go through Unit 1 here in this video, because I don't want to waste time on it since I already did it, and I want to get ahead. So this is just nonsense and basically teach you useless stuff. Let's go through this real quick. Come on. It's basically introductions. They show you videos, show you how to use Python. So this is the website where I first learned Python. So it says copy and paste. You're supposed to do that, and then like around here. And since I already did it, I did it 3 times for some reason. So I got it right. It's easy. Print hello world, and then they show you more videos. They teach you. So they ask you quiz for Python. You should only put print in lowercase letters, as you can see. And write a line to code. Oh, print. Welcome to computer science. I already did this one. Program. Hello there. That's easy. It's very basic stuff, but I like how they start you off from the very bottom so you can learn every single thing. But there are some harder stuff that later on, and they're not necessarily hard, but they don't teach you exactly. And there's some useless stuff like drawing with sticks and like slashes. It's weird. So I should probably show you more of the questions I've been doing, but let's just see. They ask you a bunch of stuff, variables. What else? They use 2 input statements. You get 2 words as an input and print the words only. Yeah. So let me see. This is accepted. Yeah, I think this is the right one. You can see this is the code. Hopefully I didn't change it. Hopefully it's right. It takes quite a long time for some reason. Wrong answer. Last name. What is it? 2 words as input. Then print on one line. Separated by space. Oh, this is. I was gonna say it's easy, but I forgot how I did this. To be honest, I'm just so far ahead. Well, not far ahead, but I wonder how I did it. What are some ways I could do? Oh yeah, I think, did I do this? Just like a space right there. Is that possible? I'm trying to do this. This code ended up working, and it got accepted. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, and my next video will be about where did I leave off? 2.4. So see you guys.